Hi guys, we're going to make quick bread with Greek yogurt. So in the first bowl I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to whisk this together and I'm going to set this to the side. In another bowl I'm going to add 1 cup of whole milk, 1 large egg, 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Whoops, I'm going to plop it everywhere. I'm using 5% of the fat, milk fat, and I'm going to whisk this together. I'm going to add the liquid to the flour mixture. I'm going to mix this on medium speed just till it's moistened. This is a very sticky dough, and ideally a stand mixer would work better than a hand mixer, or even stirring it by hand with a spoon, but I just didn't want to bother getting out the stand mixer. And I have greased a 8-inch skillet, cast iron skillet, and my oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and I went ahead and I put my dough inside there. You're going to bake this for 40 minutes, and a toothpick in the center comes out clean. So we're going to leave this in the pan for 10 minutes, and then we're going to remove it to a wire rack to cool the rest of the way. So there's my quick bread with Greek yogurt. Thank you guys for watching.